Hey everybody, welcome to Mel's Makeup Lounge. Today we're going to do a little experiment. We are going to let ChatGPT do our makeup. So I don't see how this could possibly go wrong. It's going to be great. So stick around, we'll get right into it. Hey everybody, welcome to the Makeup Lounge. Wherever you are, whatever you're doing, I hope you're having a lovely day. First and foremost, do we notice anything different? I did get my hair done. Listen, I love it. I'm trying to lean into the retro vibes. So I really like it, but then online reactions have been mixed. It looks like 2/3 of people absolutely hate it and say that it's the wrong color and it washes me out and that the cut is dated, which yeah, I'm going for retro. It's going to be dated. And then 1/3 of people, maybe even less, it might even be less than that, but there are a few people that have said that they totally dig it and they see the aesthetic that I'm going for and they like it. So I don't know. Most people don't like it. I do agree that it does wash me out quite a bit. I do agree that it's not the trendiest style right now, but I don't know. I kind of like it. What do you guys think? Let me know. I was going for sort of Marilyn Monroe, but I also see how it can sort of look very Debbie from the Trailer Park Chic. So I'm not sure that it hit the mark with what I was going for, but you know what? I don't care. I like it. I did get a new mic. We like her. She's cute. She's fun. She's fit. She's a skinny queen. We stand. So hopefully my audio will be an improvement on this video. Let's get into what we actually came here for, which is ChatGPT. Now, if you don't know what ChatGPT is, basically the easiest way I can explain it is it uses AI technology and predictive text to answer your questions or respond to some sort of command or prompt that you give it. So the prompt that I gave it was that I am a woman with fair skin and blonde hair. Can you create an eyeshadow look that would work for me? So here is what ChatGPT has said. Creating an eyeshadow look and blah, 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 blah. Here's a versatile eyeshadow look that can complement those features. Soft rose gold glam. Okay, I like it. Step 1, prime and prep. Step 2, transition shade. Step 3, lid color. They're talking about doing a brown or a peachy matte. Okay, I don't know. This all looks pretty good. So we're gonna go through this step by step. I also asked them what color blush would complement my features. Said a soft pink, a peach, a coral, a light mauve, or a rose gold. Since the eyeshadow look is rose gold and it looks like they are recommending a peach in there, I think that I'm going to go for a peachy coral blush. We'll see. I'm gonna get some products together and then we are going to follow this to the letter and we're gonna see if AI is a fantastic makeup artist in the works. I'll be right back. Okay, everybody, we are back. We are ready to go. I have my prompt steps. Oh, wanted to mention, I put on a little bit of this Lawless Forget the Filler Lip Plumping Gloss. This stuff is absolutely fantastic. I love to apply it before I even start any of my makeup because by the time that I get ready to do my lips, this stuff has sort of worked its magic and my lips are soft and plump and hydrated and absolutely lovely. 10 out of 10 recommend this. For this look, I'm going to be using my Lunar Beauty Full Fantasy palette. I'm also going to be using this little tiny ColourPop quad because this is just about really the only super peachy shadow that I own, and it's really nice. So since I got this, I really haven't felt the need to get any other peach tones because this really just does the job. As far as the Full Fantasy palette, I'm a Lunar Beauty stan. I have never had a bad product from Lunar Beauty. I just absolutely love this brand. I feel like it doesn't get a lot of attention, and I feel like it should. I just feel like everybody sleeps on Lunar Beauty. Fantastic brand. I love their products. Okay, step 1 is prep and prime. It says start by applying an eyeshadow primer to ensure your eye makeup stays in place all day and appears vibrant. Set the primer with a matte skin-toned eyeshadow. Ooh, I don't know if I have a matte skin-toned eyeshadow with me. Might have to go and grab something. For priming, I'm going to use the Painterly Pro Longwear Paint Pot. This is from MAC Cosmetics. I love these paint pots. This one is just, it's so close to my natural skin tone, and it just gives me this like beautiful, flawless base when I do eyeshadow. Okay, I went and I grabbed this little e.l.f. quad because it has this cream colored shadow that hopefully will be close enough that I can use it as a setting shadow. I'm just sweeping it across my lids with my Rephr 33 brush. Such a beautiful flat brush for just these wide swaths of color anywhere that you need it. Okay, now it says choose a light warm brown or peachy matte as your transition shade. And I feel like we could probably do both. Let's try and do both. Okay, so I'm gonna go into the Lunar Beauty palette. The Not My Vibe shade right here looks like it would make a nice transition shade. So I'm just gonna pat this in and then start sweeping. Yeah, that's really pretty. I like to just brush it out into the corners so it like kind of transitions nicely into the rest of my face. Okay, now I'm gonna go into that ColourPop palette, and using the Rephr 15 brush, I'm going to pack this peach color right into my crease. That actually looks super pretty together. Okay, maybe ChatGPT doing my makeup was not like a bad thing. Okay, step 3 says opt for a shimmery rose gold eyeshadow for the lid. Gently pat the shade onto the center of the eyelid using a flat eyeshadow brush. I'm gonna take from the Lunar Beauty palette, this is the shade Fool Fam, and it is, like, there isn't a better rose gold shade than this right here. Like, how freaking beautiful is that? Now it says to pat it on with a flat brush, and it says to only do it in the center, so we're gonna only do it in the center. Well, let me just use what's on my finger and then I'll go back into a brush. Oh my gosh, I love Lunar Beauty. I hope it has something to do with the rest of the eye, because I'm just putting it on the center like it told me. But I mean, come on, like, you want to tell me that that's not freaking stunning? No, you can't. You can't tell me that. Okay, here we go. Outer V definition. Use a slightly deeper matte brown eyeshadow to create definition in the outer V of the eye. All right, good. So it is, it's not gonna leave us hanging. Number 5, inner corner highlight. Apply a light shimmery champagne or pale gold eyeshadow to the inner corners of the eyes. This will brighten and open up the eyes. So in this palette, we do have a champagne right here, but we also have like this beautiful gold, and then we have like a true gold here. I think I'm gonna take this one because it's like somewhere in between the two. Ooh. Oh my gosh. All right. Oh, what the hell? Let's do that champagne color right on the inner corner. I'm telling y'all, you can literally never go wrong with Lunar Beauty. Like, you just can't. Now, it says using a small angled brush, Smudge the same matte brown eyeshadow along the lower lash line. What about the upper lash line? Okay, well, doing what it says. Ooh, I love this. Okay, ChatGPT, go on with your bad self. Okay, step 7, eyeliner and mascara. It says, for a softer look, opt for a brown eyeliner instead of a black. Apply a thin line along the upper lash line. Cool, we can do that. And I'm just going in like maybe a third of the way. And then I'm gonna take this same angled brush, and instead of adding more product, I'm just going to take what I just put down and blend it across the rest of the lash line. Okay, step 8 says optional pop of color. If you want to add a bit of drama, I always want to add a bit of drama, like yes, that's not even a question. If you want to add a bit of drama, consider using a deep plum or burgundy eyeshadow on the outer corners or as a liner on the upper lash line. Cool. In this, yes, oh my gosh. Okay, so we have 2 options in this palette. We have this matte right here, and then we also have this like satin. Oh, it's like a metallic. I don't know that the metallic is really going to show up just because we already have so much going on. We have a deep brown liner underneath, but like we can at least try, right? And can you see it? No, I don't think you can see it. Maybe if I used this flat brush. No, you can't tell. All right, let me try to just go into the matte mauve, which is called Lanny. All right, guys, this is the eye look, and I don't know, I think it's freaking gorgeous. I'm gonna do my face, and then we'll do their blush, and then we'll just like wrap everything up. Okay, so I'll be right back, and I'm gonna get my base face on. You know what I mean? Okay, bye. Okay guys, I am back with my face done. I opted for a brown mascara, just going with the romantic theme. It also did suggest using a brown mascara, so that's awesome. It suggested a soft pink lip. So this is from the Lunar Beauty collection. This is called Milk Tea. I just need to show you guys this lipstick component because I'm literally obsessed. Okay, so it has their like little Lunar Beauty logo, and it is so freaking pretty. And then it's like carved, like, oh my gosh, is this stunning. I'm just absolutely obsessed. So beautiful lip color, beautiful component. Oh, I love it. I don't know why, I just love it. The only thing we have left to do is apply our blush, and it did recommend a, what the hell is this? Peach or coral. So I am going to use the cream blush in the shade Warm Peach. This is from Dominique Cosmetics, another beautiful component, by the way. And oh, she's so pretty, but I don't know if this is gonna look right on me. Oh, I don't know. Ooh, oh my gosh, the pigmentation is just insane, and it feels like freaking butter. Oh my gosh. I never use peach blush because like I don't know why, but I've always thought it doesn't look good with my skin tone. Like I've always thought like I'm too fair, but I'm kind of in love with this. I'm gonna try it with a brush. This is the Sculpt and Bronzing brush from LYS, but I think it literally can be used for anything where you want to sort of have a blended but precise, I don't know how, I'm not explaining that right. Blended and precise sound kind of contradictory, but oh my gosh. Am I crazy, or does that actually look ridiculously good? Do a little bit on the bridge of my nose. Have I been sleeping on peach blush my entire life for no reason? Okay, y'all, this is the finished look. What do we think? Do we like it? I think it looks absolutely beautiful. It turned out way better than I was expecting. For a ChatGPT, I thought it was going to throw me an answer that like was technically like makeup related, but it wasn't going to make sense. And I think this totally makes sense as a cohesive look. But what do you guys think? Let me know down in the comments. If you have any suggestions for a future look, let me know. And if you guys try to do something like this or a similar look, then let me know and make sure to tag me in all of your photos so I can see your interpretation. I'm also curious at what kind of results I would get if I like changed up, like if I was like, oh yeah, I have like medium skin tone and brown hair. Like I wonder what kind of results it would give me. Or if I like, what if I gave it a prompt of, can you create a smoky eye look for me? I wonder what kind of answers it would give me. We might do some more of these, so let me know if you liked it. Please like, share, do all that stupid stuff that's annoying for you, but it helps me immensely. And I will see you guys next time in the Makeup Lounge. Bye-bye.